Hey guys, I want to show you this. So here I am as a client and as the clinic. So under the clinic here, my time zone, I'm going to set, this is a little bit of a bug, but let me just show you. The time zone here is set at 4, save. And if I go to, sorry, my availability, I've set it from, it's now 8:52 tonight. It's 8:30 to 11 p.m. on the time zone of Eastern Standard Time, okay? So if that's the case, then if I'm a client looking at this and it's 8:52 now, I should at least be able to see a 9 o'clock, 9 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10, 10 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11. But if I go over to here, and this is a client, and I put my product is 30 minutes here. If I pick, I see 9:30 to 10, 10 to 10:30. So I don't see, because it's 8:53 now, I don't see the 9 to 9:30 slot, and I don't see the 10:30 to 11 slot. Not sure why. Just let you know.